Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at that very popular Stihl 056 Super. This is that 5 cubic inch chainsaw. It's capable of running up to a 42 inch bar and chain. This one features a 28 inch sprocket nose bar and chain, 3/8 pitch. This unit weighs 20 pounds, and that's dry weight without bar and chain. And this one runs very well. The cosmetics are not the best. It's been sitting in a shop for years. And it has some dings on it, and I'll point those out to you. Right underneath here, the part of the starter housing, a little piece is missing. Doesn't affect the starting or the running of the chainsaw. It's got a wrap handlebar. And that's a hand guard. It's not a chain brick, it's just a hand guard. That's all that was required years ago. Got the big double dogs, very large. And like I said, the cosmetics, it's been setting for some time. Got some faded paint. Muffler is in good shape. Big, large, low-tone muffler. We'll go out inside and make a few cuts now with it.